Welcome back to Bike Rush, where we break down the latest motorcycles riders actually care about. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a machine designed to blur the line between serious off-road capability and real-world adventure touring. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L sits perfectly between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight adventure bikes. Built for riders who want true dirt confidence without sacrificing highway comfort, this model continues Honda's CRF legacy with a sharper focus on long-distance versatility and rugged reliability. Engine and performance. Powering the CRF 750L is a refined parallel twin engine tuned for strong low to mid-range torque. Throttle response is smooth and predictable, making technical trails manageable while still delivering enough punch for overtaking on open roads. The engine balances performance and efficiency, ideal for riders who explore far beyond paved routes. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a lightweight yet robust chassis designed for stability on mixed terrain. Long travel suspension absorbs rocks, ruts, and uneven surfaces with confidence, while maintaining composure at higher speeds. The setup strikes a smart balance between off-road aggression and on-road comfort. Ergonomics are clearly adventure-focused. An upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a slim seat profile give the rider excellent control when standing on the pegs. The bike feels natural whether navigating tight trails or cruising on long highway stretches. The 2026 CRF 750L includes modern rider aids tailored for adventure riding. Multiple ride modes adjust power delivery and traction control to suit varying conditions. Switchable ABS adds confidence on loose terrain, while the digital display delivers essential ride information clearly and efficiently. Strong braking performance comes from high-quality disc brakes designed for consistent stopping power in all conditions. The wheel setup favors off-road use, offering stability and grip on dirt, gravel, and sand while remaining composed on asphalt. Fuel efficiency and a generous tank capacity make the CRF 750L a solid choice for long-distance adventures. Whether commuting, touring, or exploring remote trails, the bike is built to go further with fewer stops. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is ideal for riders who want a capable adventure bike that truly performs off-road without becoming overwhelming on the street. It's a machine for explorers, weekend trail riders, and long-haul adventurers alike. Honda's 2026 CRF 750L delivers a compelling mix of durability, performance, and versatility. It stays true to the CRF spirit, while expanding its reach into serious adventure territory. For riders seeking balance without compromise, this bike deserves serious attention.